talented rider. When we were together in Moto2, we want to win each other and we push each other to the limit. We reached a level at the end of the season that was awesome. I'm looking forward to this year with him.
I think we make a good team together to can level up the team. So I think are going to be a nice season together. You cannot imagine how big is the change from Moto2 to MotoGP bike. The concept of 44 races are quite difficult, you know, for a rider. But at the end, I think for us are gonna be good to have more time on the bike.
You need to be very, very, very patient and trust the process.
GASGAS in combination with Red Bull, the brands are a good fit together with the two young riders in the team. This makes a lot of sense.
It's definitely the team to watch out for. But not just in 24, I mean, it's still a young brand in MotoGP and we want to build up something great for the future.
Our lineup 2024 will be even younger.
I felt ready to face this new season with all the knowledge from last year. My target is to be at the front and we have the possibility to be there.
Just be focused in racing, that is the important thing at the moment.
The team is ready.